Hello, my name is Yoshi Terauchi. Finally, TFRK has been launched. So I want to explain to you how you can use TFRK. So let me open the box. The TFRK box is green. This is matcha green. So I love matcha, so that's why the color is matcha green. Anyway, let me open this. So if you open it, you will find the metal box. So let me open the metal box. So TFRK. So you can open the box like this. Then you will find several instruments here. And you see, this is what we call the loop. Yeah? So if you want to expand the loop, you can just slide the black button up. If you want to close the loop, you can just slide the black button down. And you will use this to grab the broken instrument. And here we have Guttapercha removable hand instrument here, as you can see. So you can use this to remove the Guttapercha from the root canal wall. And here you see this is what we call Micro-Explorer. You can use this to look for the original canal over the ledge, or you can use this to penetrate into a calcified canal. And we have the brownie. Brownie is used to sharpen the broken ultrasonic tape. If it's broken, don't throw it away. You can still use it if you sharpen it. And we have 6002 nickel titanium rotary instrument here. As you can see, you can use this to enlarge the canal to the broken instrument when the curvature is more than 15 degrees. And you can use, and this is number 3, modified GG bar. You see there is no pilot tape. You can use this to enlarge the canal when the curvature is less than 15 degrees. You need to use this, and you need to use the brushing motion against the outer wall to create a funnel shape. It's important to create a funnel shape. And what is this? This is what we call the micro-trifine bar. The micro-trifine bar is used to expose the coronal 1 millimeter portion of the broken instrument only when the curvature is less than 15 degrees. If it's more than 15 degrees, don't use this because you will end up creating a ledge on the outer wall. And we have 3 kinds of ultrasonic tips, and this is the straight ultrasonic tip, which is called TFRK-S. And this is the katana tip. There are 2 kinds of katana tips. One is katana vertical, the other one is this one, katana horizontal. So you can face the surface, flat surface, to the broken instrument to create 90-degree semicircular space. After that, you can use the TFRK-S, the straight tip, to extend the space to 180 degrees until you see the broken instrument dancing. Then you can make a removal attempt using the same ultrasonic tip, the straight one, in the presence of EDTA or oil when the curvature is more than 30 degrees. So we have everything you need to remove the broken instrument in the kit. So it's very nice, and the quality of each instrument is very high, so I love it. Thank you. That's all I have to say.